Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Jasenia. Good to have you here. And in today's video here, I'm dropping by how to make Chipotle spaghetti, which is very simple, quick and easy to make at home. And all you are going to need are the ingredients pictured here, except for I used only half of the package of thin spaghetti, which still offers a portion size of up to 6. So this worked for me just using half, but everything else pictured here I did use. Now you definitely want to set your tomato and your 2 garlic cloves to boil, and then in your separate pan you want to go ahead and boil your thin spaghetti for about 9 to 11 minutes until tender. And once it does, you can go ahead and semi-drain it. Do leave a little bit of water in the pan, and then go ahead and add salt and pepper twice over, about a teaspoon of each. And then I'll go ahead and mix your 1 block of cream cheese, 1 Roma tomato, 1 can of Chipotle sauce, and your 2 garlic cloves until all incorporated as seen here. Next, you want to add in all of your mixing in with the thin spaghetti, and then saute until it all comes together to a simmer and medium-high heat. And just stir and mix in together. And then to add, you do want to add about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese to thicken it up a little bit. Here I went over it, but it's a total of a 1/4 of a cup in total of Parmesan cheese. And then I mix some more, simmering for another 5 to 10 minutes until it thickened. And this is what your spaghetti should look like. It's very delicious. It's a quick and easy meal to make, perfect for busy weekday nights, and pair it with your favorite garlic bread of your choice. On this bread here, I did add in just butter, and it was very delicious. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.